大家好，欢迎来到跟陈老师学汉语。汉语句子语序。In this video, you will learn the Chinese sentence word order. First, basic word order. Here is an English sentence. We ate lunch at McDonald's at 1 o'clock yesterday afternoon. The word order of an English declarative sentence is usually who, what, where, when. Here is the Chinese translation of the English sentence. 我们昨天下午1点在麦当劳吃了午饭。Literally, it means we yesterday afternoon at 1 o'clock at McDonald's ate lunch. The word order of a Chinese declarative sentence is usually who, when, where, what. 我们 we are the persons. 昨天下午1点 yesterday afternoon at 1 o'clock is the time. 在麦当劳 at McDonald's is the location. 吃了午饭 ate lunch is the thing that the persons did. You can see the components of the sentences are the same between the English sentence and the Chinese sentence. The difference is only the word order. As a beginner, you may find if a native speaker has said a sentence, you would understand the meaning. But if you express the same thing without hearing it before, you will always find it difficult to build the sentence in the right order. That is because the word order difference between English and Chinese. So, when you are trying to build a Chinese sentence, you need to follow the Chinese sentence word order. Then it will be much easier to do it. The who, when, where, what sequence is the Chinese sentence word order. You need to memorize it, and every time when you are making or saying a Chinese sentence, do it in this way, in this order. Then you will do it correctly. Now, let's look at another example. The English sentence is, we watched a Chinese movie at that movie theater Saturday evening. The same, the English sentence word order is who, what, where, when. The Chinese translation is, 我们星期六晚上在那个电影院看了一个中国电影。Literally, the sentence means, we Saturday evening at that movie theater watched a Chinese movie. The word order of the Chinese sentence is also who, when, where, what. 我们 we are the persons. 星期六晚上 Saturday evening is the time. 在那个电影院 at that movie theater is the location. 看了一个中国电影 watched a Chinese movie is the thing the persons did. So, when you make a Chinese sentence, follow this word order and you will not make a mistake. Word order. Someone does something somewhere. Let's look at the English sentence. I eat dinner at home. The word order of the English sentence is who, what, where. Time is not mentioned in the sentence. In Chinese, we see 我们在家吃晚饭. Literally, it means we at home eat dinner. 我们 we are the persons. 在家 at home is the location. 吃晚饭 eat dinner is the thing what we do. The word order of the Chinese sentence is who, where, what. The time is also not mentioned. Pretty easy, right? Word order. When someone does something. Let's look at the English sentence first. I get up at 8 o'clock. The word order of the English sentence is who, what, when. The location is not mentioned in the sentence. In Chinese, we see 我8点起床. Literally, it means I at 8 o'clock get up. 我 I is the person. 8点 at 8 o'clock is the time. 起床 get up is the thing what I do. The word order of the Chinese sentence is who, when, what. The location is also not mentioned. Now, I think you know what is the word order differences between Chinese sentences and English sentences. Okay, let's say it again. Who, when, where, what. This is the Chinese sentence word order. 谢谢，下节课再见. If you like my video, please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.